Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In Windows, whenever you open an icon with a double click, start a program, view a file on your computer's filing system, or examine the contents of a folder, you're viewing the information through a window. The window is the basic element of the Windows operating system, so you perform all of your activities in different windows in the application. While the contents of each window will vary, there are some basic activities that you can perform with almost any window that you encounter within the Windows program. So almost all of the windows that you encounter will appear within a frame. At the top of the frame is the title bar. The title bar will usually display the name of the window or its contents. You also use the title bar to control the size and placement of the window in your desktop environment. One of the most basic functions of the title bar is resizing the windows with which you work. You can have several windows open at the same time in Windows, and if you want to efficiently multitask on your computer, it will be important for you to gain control over the size and placement of the windows with which you work. A window can be either in maximized mode, restore mode, or minimized mode. Now, if you look at the right end of the Windows title bar within an open window, you'll see a 3-button group. They are from left to right: minimize, maximize or restore, and close. So now we'll examine how we can use these buttons to control the size of our open windows. You can click the minimize button in the title bar of any open window to send the window down to the Windows taskbar. Now, although you don't see the content of the window, it is still open and active. You can minimize a window when you need to access information in a different window behind the one you just minimized. Minimizing a window will just temporarily get it out of your way. To bring the window back, just click on the entry for the window in the Windows taskbar. That will bring it back exactly the way you left it when you minimized it. Now, starting in Windows 7, when you minimize folders within your computer's system, such as your Documents folder, the folders will be collected in the Libraries icon within the Windows taskbar. You can click on this icon within the Windows taskbar and then open a small pop-up window that shows you the open system folders. You can then click on the one you wish to view again in order to restore the folder's on-screen display. Now, maximizing a window simply means making it large enough to fill your entire desktop screen. If your window does not fill the entire screen, then you can click the middle button of the 3 located at the right end of the title bar in that window. This allows you to view more of the information within a window. Many users like to work in this mode as it has the most available room for each window. However, if you have multiple windows open and they are all maximized, you can't view them simultaneously. To switch between multiple maximized windows, you can click on the taskbar entry for the window that you would like to view. That will bring that window up above the others, which then recede behind it. Then you can work in the topmost window. So this is simply called toggling the open windows, and it is also necessary to master if you need to work with more than one window at a time. Now, if your window is already filling up the entire screen, clicking the middle button again will change the size of the window to the restore mode. Now, the restore size window is a smaller window that allows you to change its size and position. When the window is in restore mode, you can place your mouse pointer over the border of the window's frame and then wait till you see the arrow turn into a double-pointed arrow. When you do, you can perform a click and drag with your mouse to change the window's size. You can also click and drag directly in the middle of the title bar of that window to move the entire window to a different location on your desktop. So this mode is handy when you have information that you wish to copy from one window into another. The Restore window allows you to place the windows side by side and then drag and drop information from one window into another window. Now the last button at the right end of the title bar within the window has a big red X on it. This is the Close button, and clicking it will close the open window.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.